Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will see how to repair problems of automatic repair that are constantly shown during startup. So let's get into it. The automatic repair with a blue screen shows the dialog box something like this. Then here's how we fix it. Now, click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot and then click on Advanced Option again and click on Startup Repair. Wait for some time and check if it starts normally or follow these steps. Click on the command prompt. Type the letter C and click Enter. Type Dire and click Enter. Now, let's use the following command. Type MD Backup and click Enter. Type CD regback, then type dire. If you have numbers on the right side, then it's functioning. Then continue with the following command. Type A. Click Enter and type Exit. If all these steps fail, then you need to reinstall Windows. You can watch in my channel.